afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Don't you hate it when bread starts flopping all over the place when you cut a sandwich? Well, today I'm going to show you how to keep that from happening. Here's our sandwich. Not like that. Okay, what tool can we use to make it so that the bread doesn't go all over the place? Oh, there we go. What's that? That is a carving fork that you would usually use to cut meat with. And all you have to do is put the prongs in the way you want. And we're going to put it in. Put the prongs in the way you want to cut the sandwich, in the direction you'd use it in the opposite direction of the way that you're going to cut to hold the bread in place. And take the knife and just cut in the middle between the tongs. There you go. Now we're going to get a plate, and you'll see you can actually move the sandwich with the plate. Take the sandwich with the fork, move it over to the plate, take the fork out. You can put toothpicks in where the holes are and make it pretty. And you can see that the sandwich is absolutely perfect. The bread didn't go all over the place. It's perfect. See you next time on The Good Plate.